In continuation with the simple light, we are going to make a simple fan. The steps are the same. We are going to replace the LED bit with the motor bit. So let us take the motor bit from the electronic bits. Now remove the connections of the LED from the rocker switch and pop out the LED. Now place the motor bit into the half pop. And connect with the rocker switch. Now take the fan bit from the top-up kit. So attach the fan bit to the motor axle. Now switch on the bidirectional rocker switch for a single side. The fan turns rotating. When you turn the bidirectional switch, the other side, then the fan rotates in the opposite direction. So did you know an electrical motor converts electrical energy to physical movement? The electrical motors are used in all sorts of applications. There are even several electrical motors inside your computer, including one to turn the fan to cool the components, one to open and shut the CD-ROM drive, and one to operate the hard drive. Happy tinkering and happy doing.